Welcome to Swan Electric Engineering Company, where we firmly believe in our motto, quality first, the rest will follow.
Swan Electric Company was founded in the year 1958 by late Mr. M.P. Samuel to serve the electrical contracting needs of our clients. After almost half a century of experience in building electrical panels, in the year 2007, the manufacturing wing was registered as a separate entity to widen our range of services to the sheet metal industry. Today, we are a team of more than 200 skilled professionals who are dedicated to producing high-quality sheet metal products for our esteemed clients. In this video, we will go on a journey to discover what we do and how we do it. The process begins with the design phase. Our team of experienced engineers work closely with our clients to develop a design that meets their needs. Once the design is finalized, it is sent to our fabrication team, who then use our state-of-the-art machinery to create the product. Each product goes through first the cutting phase, where we blank the material using laser cutting or turret punching machines. With the best-in-class machines such as the Trump 5000 series turret punch and a host of industry-leading fiber laser machines, we can meet every requirement of our client with a high level of accuracy and repeatability. After the cutting phase, we move on to the forming phase using press brake machines from leading brands such as Trump, Salvagnini, and Amada. The state-of-the-art panel bender from Salvagnini gives us the ability to offer our clients unique profiles. Next, we move to the fabrication phase, where we have an experienced team of welders that ensure the cleanest finish and high weld strength every time. For our high-volume products, we also provide our clients with robotic welding. From May 2023, we will be able to provide fiber laser welding for lower thickness products with unmatched aesthetics. Finally, for our clients that require it, we have the surface finishing phase. We offer polishing, grinding, as well as our own in-house conveyorized powder coating plant currently equipped with a 7-tank pre-treatment process, which will be upgraded to a 9-tank process with an inline camelback oven from June 2023. Outside of sheet metal fabrication, we also provide a wide range of machining, assembly, and other process optimization services. Specialized processes like part leveling allow us to produce products that are perfectly flat with improved quality, enhanced durability, and a better overall aesthetic. Some of the other services we offer include vertical milling centers, CNC lathes, spinning, gasketing, fastener insertion, drilling and tapping stations. Our commitment to quality is evident in every product we produce. Each product is rigorously inspected to ensure that it meets our strict quality standards. Once it has passed inspection, it is carefully packaged and shipped to our clients. Our team of skilled professionals takes great pride in their work. Each member of our team is dedicated to producing high-quality products and delivering exceptional customer service. We believe that our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart from our competitors. At Swan, we believe in going beyond just what is expected of us by our clients, and we do this by prioritizing sustainability and community development. This creates a positive impact that goes far beyond just bottom lines. Using solar energy is an excellent way for companies to reduce their carbon footprint and promote sustainability. By investing in solar energy to the tune of 70 kilowatt plant at our facility at Kattor, Chennai, and a 120 kilowatt plant at our facility in Ambattur, Chennai, that is scheduled to be commissioned by June 2023. Swan contributes to the global efforts to combat climate change. In addition to promoting sustainability through renewable energy sources, Swan also contributes to community development by having women serve across 30% of our leadership and our workforce. By prioritizing the hiring and development of female employees, Swan helps to promote economic empowerment in our local community. The growth of Swan Electric Engineering Company is a promising sign of success, and the plan to expand by building additional shop floor space of over 180,000 square feet across 4 phases in the next 3 years is a clear indicator of Swan's commitment to meeting customer demand and increasing production capacity. Expanding the shop floor also provides opportunities to invest in new machinery and equipment, which can further improve efficiency and output. Additionally, having more space allows for better organization of materials and inventory management, reducing the likelihood of delays or mistakes in production. Overall, the decision to build additional shop floor space is a strategic move that will position Swan for continued success in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you need high-quality sheet metal products, look no further than Swan Electric Engineering. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your goals.